Welcome to my Heartstrong garden. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing video. I believe this is my fig tree that I ordered online. So I'm just going to open the box up, check it out, see if it needs to be transplanted or anything, and that should be it. So let's get going. This just came in the mail today. Be really careful. Actually got mailed or arrived a little bit early. I don't think it was supposed to arrive for like another week, but it was in the description for shipping. There was like a 2 to 3 week time range. So, alright, so initially we're packed of packing peanuts. I have a card here for general plant care information from 9 Green Box is where I purchased it, and it just goes over general plant care information. When your plants arrive, unpack immediately, remove the pepper wrap, keep them in partial sun, and treat them as you would treat any potted plant. There's a couple spelling mistakes off of here initially, which I'm kind of a sucker for because with my maybe editing background, so I pick up pretty much everything, but other than that, it looks pretty professional. And looks like it's just a little itty bitty some tape around the soil to keep that protected and keep it in the container. Well, that's pretty much it. Just a little tree right now, but we're gonna see how this journey goes. Again, this is the fig tree that I ordered from 9 Green Box. This is just their card. I apologize for the lighting's not that great, but and that may be backwards because I'm doing this on my phone. So fig tree from 9 Green Box. Looks, I think I would have preferred it to have some leaves on it and everything, but because it's the winter time, a lot of things are getting shipped in a dormant state, so I'm not disappointed. Other than that, it looks healthy. I'm gonna put it in my propagation tray, let it start getting a little bit of water, and then I'll just probably just let it sit. I'm not sure if I want to plant it or not quite yet, but we'll see how it goes. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video.